Hello doctors. Today we will be seeing 50 golden points of PSM part 2. First, enteric fever is caused by, that is typhoid, Salmonella typhi and paratyphi. Chandler's index for hookworm is average number of eggs per gram of stool. Only communicable disease of man that is always fatal. I think you can guess easily. It is rabies. Main vector for yellow fever is yellow fever, flavivirus, and the vector is Aedes aegypti. Amplifier host in Japanese encephalitis is pigs. Scrub typhus is caused by Rickettsia susugamusi. Vector of leishmaniasis, that is Kala Azar, sandfly. Elimination level for leprosy, less than 1 case per 10,000 population. Slim disease, we know it is AIDS. Rule of halves is seen in hypertension and it explains the iceberg phenomena. WHO criteria for diagnosis of rheumatic fever or rheumatic heart disease are based on revised Jones criteria. Pap smear should be done at the beginning of sexual activity and then every 3 years we have to repeat it. Most common cause of blindness, it's cataract. Under RNTCP, case finding is how they will find the case, whether it is active or passive. The answer is passive. Sex ratio, the formula, number of females divided by 1000 males. Completed family size represents which rate, based on which rate? Total fertility rate. Most common complaint of IUD insertion is bleeding. For sterilization, age of husband should be less than 60 years. Contraceptive efficacy or failure is measured by which index? It's Pearl index. Most common disorder to be screened in neonates, neonatal hypothyroidism. Low birth weight is how much? It's less than 2.5 kg. World's greatest public health tool is, even now we are using that, it's immunization. Denominator for maternal mortality rate, it's live births. Richest source of vitamin A and D is halibut liver oil. First clinical sign of xerophthalmia, that is vitamin A deficiency. Conjunctival xerosis, that is dryness. Tocopherols are vitamin E. You can refer to the vitamin section in our channel. Amino acid converted in body to niacin, tryptophan. Richest source of vitamin C, amla, Indian gooseberry. Optimum level of fluorine intake, 0.5 to 0.8 ppm or milligram per liter. Soya bean contains how much amount of protein? 43.2%. It has richest amount of protein. An average reference man weighs 60 kg. Best indicator of protein quality. Be clear with the question whether it is quantity or quality. If it is quality, then it is NPU, net protein utilization. First indicator of PEM, protein energy malnutrition. So weight loss will be there. So simple, underweight for age. 2-in-1 salt contains, what are all the minerals in this fortified salt? It is iron and iodine. Toxin in leatherism. It's BOA. Beta oxalyl acetic acid, something like that. I can't remember it exactly, sorry. Phosphatase test is done for efficiency of pasteurization. Phosphatase test, already we had seen this question. So next, acculturation is, it's mixing up of two cultures, that is cultural contact. IQ, how we will calculate? Mental age divided by chronological age into 100. Disinfecting action of chlorine is due to which component? Hypochlorous acid. Temporary hardness of water is due to which chemical compound? Calcium and magnesium bicarbonates. Anemometer measures, so anemo means air, so it measures air velocity. Most satisfactory method of refuse disposal, it is what we are daily seeing, that is sanitary landfill or controlled tipping. Tiger mosquito, which mosquito we will call as tiger mosquito? Aedes. Paris green is a stomach poison. Pyrethrum is a space spray. Pre-placement examination is a part of ergonomics. Indian Factories Act 1948 recommends per capita space. How much space should be there? It should be minimum 500 cubic feet. Sickness benefit under ESI Act 1948, how many days it is? It's 91 days. Thank you so much.